When coming to the Gulf of Orosei, forget about that boat trip that everyone goes on to Cala Luna and all the other bays, because this can happen. This looks like such a tourist trap. There are so many people getting on these boats. This is crazy. They've actually put us onto a different boat because the first boat is absolutely full.
Should we wish them good luck?
Good luck, people. They have no idea what they're about to get themselves in for. And instead come to this incredible beach that I'm going to be showing you guys today, where it's really not busy, it's not too windy, the water is incredible, it's not expensive, and it is truly amazing. So stick around. Good morning, it is 7 a.m, but wow, these views from my hotel room are unbelievable. Look at this. It is sunrise basically, and the sky is lit up. It is so beautiful. But I need to eat breakfast because we've got a very busy day ahead of us. How are you feeling? Good? Because I'm feeling absolutely exhausted. To be honest, the breakfast doesn't look that great. Coffee's looking fine, view's obviously looking amazing, and I'm definitely not. Alright, we've just been dropped off at the port because our boat is leaving in about 15 minutes, but we first need to find out where the pickup station for our tickets. This looks like such a tourist trap. There are so many people getting on these boats. This is crazy. They've actually put us onto a different boat because the first boat is absolutely full.
And we just asked about actually renting our own boat, and you can, but it's too choppy.
It is too choppy.
So they
today
won't let us take out a small boat, like private one.
Yeah.
Get on. I was just trying to get him on the boat so he could sit down.
Precisely.
Because he's like struggling to even walk.
Exactly, like he's got crutches and everything.
And I showed them my ticket on my phone and they said, no, you need like a paper ticket, and then made him wait 30 minutes. Which is ridiculous. And
then told us we cannot board the boat because it's too dangerous for him. So why was he made to just stand by the boat, not being told anything that he couldn't potentially get on the boat for half an hour? So now we're just at the port and both of the boats have left and we're without a boat trip. So that is why you shouldn't book with those guys. What? This is the reality of what it looks like to come on a boat trip in Sardinia. The boat just disappears because you're not allowed on with crutches.
Because you can't be disabled.
Because you know what?
I wouldn't mind if they said to us when they saw him, unfortunately we can't put him on the boat. That's like a valid thing to say. But it's making him wait. He stood up with his crutches for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And then saying,
struggling, telling him, you've got to go get your ticket.
Yeah. And then saying like, you can't come on.
They didn't even say that. They said this boat, they left us waiting for 30 minutes by this boat. Yeah. And then they said, oh, okay, it's this boat you're going on.
Yeah, and actually
walked halfway to the other boat.
To the other boat.
Say,
no, you can't get on this one either. Like, you're not allowed on any of the boats.
We should have listened to your video editor. Always listen to other people. Like in this video where Matt's giving you advice, this is a prime example of where you need to listen to the advice that people give you.
But I wanted to capture it because that's what I do. I capture these things, and my editor, Femke, told me don't come on this tour because it is a tourist trap. And I thought, you know what, I want to capture it for other people so they can see what to expect.
It's
but
ruined
I did not expect that we wouldn't even be allowed on to the trip. But if you want to know what to expect, it is that there's people everywhere, tourist trap.
Not for me.
It's not all bad. We are up early, enjoying a lovely coffee at the marina in the same restaurant that we ate at in last week's video, last night, which was absolutely delicious. So yeah, it's turned out quite nice. To get back to the car, we're not walking though, we're getting
the choo-choo train.
How are you gonna get in here? Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. This is hilarious. So one thing that's great about this train journey is it's actually giving us a tour of Cala Gonone, which is where we're staying, and it's only €1, so pretty good value.
And it's up an incline, so at least we don't have to walk it.
I've got a feeling we're at the wrong car park.
No, it's all right. It should take us to...
Okay, so it seems as though we have been taken to the wrong car park, but the benefit is we've had a great tour of Cala Gonone, which for €1. You can't complain. Now, if you guys are wondering where you can and can't park in Sardinia, the white lines mean it's free, and blue indicates that you've got to pay depending on the time. Oh, that was fun. Did you have fun?
It's good actually, it's nice. It was a good €1 that.
I know, unbelievable.
I think that this was way more fun than that boat trip.
Yeah,
so if you come here, don't go on the boat.
Come on the train.
For
Go
€1.
on the train. I've got to say, this train is so worth it. It is only €1, and the best part is it actually takes you to the top of the hill, which has free parking, so it is definitely worth knowing. And it leaves every 15 minutes, so it is a great option to get to the port.
Should we wish them good luck?
Good luck, people. They have no idea what they're about to get themselves in for. That looks no fun whatsoever.
That is sad. Look at all the mugs
Getting
on the boat.
Guys, do not go on that boat trip. It is a tourist trap. Not worth it. And guess who's showed up? Our personal taxi driver has arrived. What have you got here?
This is chocolate gelato, but it's almost so dark that there's no milk
no
in
milk.
it at all, so it's like super, super dark. It's amazing, right?
That's really, really good. Very, very rich.
Like very dark.
I don't know if I could eat much more, but it is delicious. And where better place to try gelato than Italy?
Shit, that is.
Next level now. So
Like
now,
that?
now
That is good, isn't it?
I could eat more of.
Now I understand why my Italian friend would not eat
Anything.
gelato that was chocolate randomly in Greece. Like she was looking for this, and now I understand
I
why.
need some more of that. And we drove over the hill to what looks like an absolutely lovely beach. And what I'm noticing here is that there isn't many of these private sun lounges that you have to hire, so you can just stick your towel down and just relax free of charge. The only thing that you're paying for is the €5 parking. Yeah, pretty nice beach. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks lovely.
It does look nice. And we found our little spot right by the ocean. How amazing. Perfect spot.
I saw an Italian lady buying this specialist ham.
All of these hams.
No, this.
Oh, this one.
And I just said, same please. And he went and got me a selection.
I'm not gonna lie, this is fantastic setup. What a perfect day this is gonna be. We've literally got a picnic on the beach, lots and lots of Italian food, olives, and we're right at the front of the beach. And to hire these sun lounges, it was only €8 each, with the parasol as well for another €8. So yeah, really, really good turnout, and the beach here is absolutely stunning. It is so blue, crystal clear, and it's not choppy at all or windy. So this is a great place. I'm having fun already, and I know this is going to be a great day.
It was €40 for one yesterday.
For one of these sun lounges?
One sun lounge was
Yeah.
€40.
And here it was 8.
Yeah, or 3 for 20.
3 for 20. So there you go. In some areas in Sardinia, it is incredibly expensive, but this beach here, not expensive at all. And far nicer in my opinion, nowhere near as windy. I think the reason why this beach is actually so quiet is the main reason that people come to Cala Gonone is to do the boat excursion that takes you to basically all of the Gulf of Orosei. So a lot of the people that come here are doing that. That's why this beach is relatively quiet, but obviously we dodged the bullet with that one. And fortunately enough, we've got this to ourselves. I'm literally living my best life. I've got a Biscoff ice cream biscuit, rare, and it's not even expensive. The beer was €3, and considering everything in Sardinia is crazy expensive, good price here. What we got?
I had an espresso, a Corona, Aperol Spritz, and a glass of white wine for €13.
13. And that is it for this beach. We've had an amazing, amazing day, super relaxing. But the sun is going down and we want to make the most of our hotel pool because we've got a wonderful view over there. Let's head back. So tonight's dinner at this sort of farmhouse took us off the beaten track, definitely, but as soon as we sat down, we were given a bottle of wine because apparently this place is a vineyard.
Around Sardinia they have these country houses and farmhouses that do their own produce. Mainly meats, there's no fish usually. So it's meats and cheeses and things.
Okay.
So it looks like it's a set menu from a particular time.
Gotta say, so far this experience is really unique. They just come around with the food and serve it to you. We've had some pickled vegetables which have been absolutely delicious. Tell me about this bread. What is this bread? Sardinian bread. The bread here is really unique. It's like paper, but it's almost like poppadom cracker.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
It's olivey.
Like wafer thin.
And it's not greasy.
Yes. It's not greasy at all.
Delicious though. Are you happy with that?
Absolutely.
Really delicious? Why? How would you describe it?
Stunning.
I'd say it's got a gnocchi texture, but it's like a thick pasta.
I'd say quite heavy in parmesan, stirred in.
This dinner tonight has been really unique and I have really enjoyed it. The fact that everybody eats the same thing, same time, there's no menu, and it has really pleasantly surprised me. I think this is where I'm going to end today's video, so if you've enjoyed it, hit the like button, the subscribe button, check out this playlist right here with much more from Sardinia, but as always, we'll see you in the next one.